So, friends, welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about the difference between our equipment, the GP series machines that make screw coils, and some other artisanal technologies. We have traveled a lot to some other productions. These enterprises purchased GP series machines from us to replace their outdated technology. And we saw, for example, homemade presses with some homemade tooling. They stamped a certain geometry of coils vertically. And in order to change the geometry of the screw turns, it is necessary to constantly change these blocks of tooling. This is very labor-intensive, and the tooling itself is expensive. Our equipment has special plates, which are very cheap in production cost and in purchase. And by removing these plates, different geometries are obtained. To select this plate, we have our program software, where you enter the parameters of the coil, which you want to get at the output, and the program will tell you such a marking of plates to choose for this or that geometry. And on one set of these forming plates, you can produce many geometries of coils, and you will not need to constantly replace these plates. So, friends, if you want to produce the same even geometry of coils quickly and qualitatively, I urge you to leave an application at the link in the description, and also leave your contact information at the link phone number, or to mail us a request. Manager will call you back, send you the cost of this equipment. You will discuss the terms of delivery, and we will cooperate with you. After purchasing this equipment, once again I repeat, you will produce any geometry of auger turns, ranging in thickness from 2 to 50 millimeters, as well as the geometry of augers is not limited. That is, we have produced auger bits with a diameter of 1.5 to 2 meters. That is, the machine series GP opportunities are enormous. So I encourage you to cooperate, and thank you for your attention.